come from Himachal Pradesh. I see snowy mountains. I enjoy apple orchards. My name is Leela. I come from Odisha. I speak Odia. I like to see Rath Yatra. My name is Sita. I come from Assam. I speak Assamese. I love to watch Bihu dance. My name is Tara. I come from Kashmir. I wear warm woolen clothes. I enjoy the beauty of the lake.
अपना इंडिया गोल्डन बुक्स का दीवाना, गोल्डन बुक्स को अपनाना।